Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cross Street Classics. We're back at our 83 Mustang convertible project. Our last video we did the buffing of the car, got it all cleaned up. So today Blake is going to be working on the interior. It's not too bad, it's just a little dingy. It's not tore up or anything, so that's exciting. So he's going to spend some time getting the carpets cleaned up, wiping everything down, and see if we can't make this thing look a little bit better than what it did before. So Blake's all ready to go. He got his best detailing clothes on there, and he's going to go at it. So enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so here is the end results of the detail on the inside. This right here is like some kind of a stain or a fade. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just the stain from the weather stripping. Can't get that off, but we tried. But Blake got the carpet shampooed with a little help from Boss Lady. She come out and gave us a hand there too. Got the seats cleaned real nice. All the stains come out of them. I mean, they look like brand new. Got the back ones done. Carpets. Got the seat belts wiped down. Cleaned up the window cranks. Walk around to the other side. We did a little bit on the outside here too. There was some overspray all over the whole car, so we took a clay bar, get all the overspray off all this trim and the mirrors and stuff. This side over here, this mat pocket got a little bit of slack in it, but yeah, it all in all come out pretty nice. Again, we weren't getting super crazy with this. We're not restoring it or reconditioning it. We just wanted to clean it up, make it a little bit more presentable to market it. You know, the next buyer wants to take it to the next level, put a little bit of their own touch to it, a little bit of their pride into it. It's up to them. We just kind of wanted to make it look a little bit better than what it was. And I really think this is going to be a nice car for the next person. You know, it's a nice low mileage car. Be good for a summer cruiser. You know, should be pretty economical with gas. You know, with a little V6 2 barrel. It should be a nice little comfortable car to drive around. Put the top down, put the radio on, and have a little fun. So okay guys, well anyway, that's going to wrap this video up here. We're probably going to have probably one more video of this car. We're going to spend some time on the outside now. You know, we did wash it off and polish the paint out just to get it back to some shine, but we want to spend a little more time on it there. Clean the wheels and tires up, you know, clean the top up, windows and stuff, and just take it to that next level of clean. So as always, we appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. If there's any questions you have, please ask them, and we'll be glad to get back to you. So we'll see you next time. Thanks.